bad news for uMama Joy. So laphayana kwi-X uyacomplaina uMama Joy uthi i-Minister of Sports and Culture laphayana uGayton McKenzie akafuna ukumkhokhela i-trip yakhe ayobuka iBafana Bafana laphayana e-America nase-Mexico nase-Canada. So uyaveza ukuthi-ke uyi-super fan and uyakudeserve ukuyobukela iBafana Bafana live. Bathi-ke uMcKenzie uthi ayikho-ke imali yokuba sponsor-ke ama-super fans. So chaza ukuthi-ke abantu abazokwazi ukuthi babukele iBafana Bafana khona-ke laphayana sidlala neMexico, abantu abahlala khona-ke lapha eMexico abala eMzansi nalaba-ke abanemali aba-affordayo ukuthi bayobuka laphaya yabo le midlalo. For now i-minister uthi abanayo imali yokuba sponsor-ke ama-super fans. They will have to make plans in terms of ukuthi-ke bazofika kanjani-ke laphayana eNorth America bayosupporta yona-ke iBafana Bafana.